Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 2000 liters model horizontal V mixer for Mexico client, used in food powder mixing industry. For this mixer, we make the material contact part stainless steel and mirror polish for the material contact part. The left part is the driving system, including the Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth face reducer as Chinese first brand reducer. And the left part is the electricity cabinet. Mainly we use Schneider as a main components brand to guarantee the quality. Let's take a run to see it. We can see that the middle bottom is a manual valve, the charging valve. This is the back view. And this is a feeder, screw feeder for the material feeding into the mixer. Also stainless steel and the Siemens brand motor. Good quality. This is a motor reducer mentioned. Cabinet. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a test for it. This is a control panel. First, I release the emergency stop button. Inverter panel, voltage meter, ammeter, motor on, motor off, speed up, speed down. And these two buttons for the feeding machine, start and off. First, we test the feeding machine. Now you can hear the voice. Now it works. This is for material feeding. No problem. And I close it. Then I start the mixer. Now I'm lowering the speed. First I give it half speed. This is half speed. After I remove my finger, the panel will display the rotating shaft speed. Okay. Now let's check the inside situation. I would like to get to the top. This is a lid situation. Now I open it. We can see here is a protection net and inside are ribbons. Now working stable. We designed the top lid, the right part same as the left part. Both can open and have a protection net. Cylinder help to open and close. Then I would like to test the max speed. Speed up. It is. Now I close it. After I push the motor off, the mixer will stop smoothly. Okay, now it has stopped. I would like to restart it again. Okay, motor on. Now it is started. And then I make some speed, low speed. Give it a half speed. Okay, in this way, here is the shaft speed, half speed. I would like to display the safety protection system. It is regarding the protection net on the top lid. We equipped sensors on the back position. Here is a protection sensor. Once I remove the net, mixer will stop for safety consideration. Now I would like to display it. Just now I removed the protection net. Now mixer stopped. This is for safety protection design. However, even in the with the protection net removed situation, mixer can also be driven. We must keep my finger on the button continuously. This is the engine switch function for the maintenance and cleaning of the mixer after work. So this is a simple test for the basic mixing function and the safety function for this 2000 liters model horizontal band mixer. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Thanks for watching.